Hi, my name is Jesse, a men's health activist and man who lost too many friends to suicide already. I ran a men's health clinic as patient experience manager. I am not a doctor, please seek one if you are concerned about any of your issues, but I invite your questions and comments for me and other men. What I noticed is a severe need for men to learn about their physical and mental health. Men are rarely, if at all, taught emotional control. We are not taught the importance of sleep and morning erections being tied together, or that our testosterone levels may affect our depression, anxiety, or sexual performance. Men are killing themselves in record-breaking numbers. Every 14 to 15 minutes a man takes his life in America, and every 55 minutes a female does in the US. 85% of the population paying child support are men, and 80% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Men are often jailed for not making these financial obligations, or have their license to drive to their ability to make this money. Men are often asked what we do for a living, so society can see how much respect to give us, because far too often it is about what we earn or provide versus our character as a man. My brothers need to normalize talking about men's mental and physical health and learn about testosterone levels, what warning signs of erectile dysfunction, that it is okay to talk and ask questions or see medical help before it is too late or we lose another life. Kings also must learn emotional and mental control over our reactions to being triggered, which can get us incarcerated for years of minutes of anger. Men must learn that the women we choose in our lives can have terrible impacts on our financial and mental health or our ability to be with our children. We must stay strong as kings, as men, as brothers and fathers. It is easier to raise strong children than it is to fix broken men. I sat in a room with hundreds of men, and the number one thing we need is respect to feel loved. And if we do not get this at home, we will end up in a place or spend a majority of our time where we feel most respected. Men often can drown themselves in addiction or working themselves into poor health, causing more also depression factors, higher suicide rates. We need our women to respect us. We want to protect that is in our nature, and often women feel they need to battle their kings instead of build them up. We need to stay strong kings. Taking our lives only transfers our pain to our loved ones. Men must learn we have childhood trauma that affects our relationships as adults. Most kings, men are dealing with the same issues, but we do not communicate among ourselves enough. As if we feel shame for having feelings should ignore our health, causing MANdemic suicide rates among men. Our healthcare providers have taken full advantage of our lack of knowledge and do not in many cases even cover treatment, covers our sexual health or mental health. Stay strong, kings, and join me to talk to other kings about the importance of their mental and physical health. May you heal from the pain you do not speak to others about. We need you, kings.